hike from the deepest jungle near to Guyana, Brazil. Well, this is a beautiful place. We're going on an expedition. Very close by there is gold and diamonds, but the most important, the most amazing jungle in South America. Anyway, I'm so glad there is this trail for the gold miners and so on, whatever is in the jungle, whoever. Oh my, this looks like a weapon. It's just a part of a tree. Look at those huge spines. You don't have to care. It's so hot. There's so many mosquitoes, spiders, snakes. So you can imagine. And it's so dense, you can hardly see. For sure, you have to be careful when you walk in the jungle. You watch everywhere you walk. What's that? Look like a human. Ooh. And this is me. Oh. Before maybe they take me somewhere as a slave. No, they won't stop me for 2 days. Me, after working hours in the jungle, my soul is full, but my body is empty. So I'm feeling I'm going to die. See you, YouTubers.